Welcome back to another video from BMR Parks and Marine, located in Burnsville, Minnesota. Got another freshwater engine for sale today. This one is a 1989 15-horse short shaft. This is a manual start 2-stroke. We'll go ahead and fire this one up. Give it a second here. This one's got new plugs, carburetor's been rebuilt, new impeller. Everything is good to go on this one. Go ahead and put it in forward. Neutral. Reverse. Back to neutral. Shut it off. If you're interested in it, you can give us a call at 952-894-4888, or you can email sales@bmr1.com. Thank you, and have a great day.